All right, some breaking news now coming in, and the Delhi High Court has pulled up the government over the CAG report, and its delay in calling for a special session has slammed the Delhi government's delay in placing the CAG report before the speaker. This after it was raised in the High Court by BJP's MLA Vijender Gupta, who sought to direct the speaker to summon a special session of the House, to which the High Court also said that we are at a stage that elections are around the corner. How can there be a special session? So High Court saying up, dragging its feet over the CAG reports. For more on this story, let's go across now to Nupur for more. Nupur, give us more details about the findings of the CAG report and this matter being brought to the High Court by the BJP.
Yes, officially today, actually, the thing about the CAG report is that they are yet to be officially placed in the assembly, and for that only the case was brought into Delhi High Court. The Delhi BJP has been pushing to time and again from the route of Delhi High Court as well to place the reports officially in the assembly, and they have been seeking the direction from the speaker to from the Delhi High Court to the speaker to convene a special session. Today, the Delhi High Court, while hearing the case, they did a brief hearing for now, and they said Delhi High Court observed that the Delhi government has been that it is unfortunate that the Delhi government has been dragging its feet, and they should have been prompt in sending those reports to the speaker and convening a special assembly session to discuss those CAG reports, which the BJP has been taking up the issue around the CAG reports for quite some time now. Now the Delhi High Court will again take up the matter at 2:30 p.m. and Delhi High Court has said that the main contention here right now with the Delhi High Court question will be the question that the Delhi High Court will be addressing would be that can the Delhi High Court ask the state government, that the Delhi government, to convene a special session? Can they ask the speaker to convene a special session? All in all, this is the case right now, and the Delhi High Court has today slammed the Delhi government for the delay in or dragging its feet, to quote the Delhi High Court, dragging its feet to place a CAG report on table.